presentation of my channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. This is no Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Versfeld. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Kaizer Chiefs 2. Nedbank semi-final. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, and you, my brother?
Good, man. How do you feel about the game today?
I'm feeling so happy, man. It's been too long without beating these people. 7 years, coming back without beating them. Today, from behind, it's 1-0. We come 1-2. They are out. Bakai bo, na bakai masanda wa, na bakai. Bari hey, Kaizer Chiefs na biati biskhoa. Today, basutlwe skhoa sa nabi. I'm happy. I'm so happy. Yebo.